Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to change this photo which was captured in a foggy morning into a moody looking night photo. So, let's look at what we have here. A dry grassy field in the foreground, some trees and forest in the distance in fog, and a small haunting house on the right of a scene. Okay, let's start with this. First thing I will do is crop it down to panoramic ratio size. I will use a 2:5 ratio size here, and adjust it a little bit. I will now decrease exposure a little bit, highlights, shadows, and play with black and whites. And then lower down the temperature to colder. Here I will adjust the tone curve to a nice S shape to get more contrast in image. In the HSL section, I will fix this blue color which I get by lowering the temperature. I will lower the saturation and luminance of a blue color. And here in the lens corrections, I will check remove chromatic aberration box. Now, let's put some masks on it. First one will be a gradient mask for our sky. Let's cover our sky here, something like this. Mainly what I will do here is lowering down the exposure and play with other settings to achieve a dark night sky look. Here I will put a name on my mask so later I can easily find it. I suggest if you are putting on a lot of masks like me, it is a really good thing to name them all. I need to create a new mask, again gradient. This time is for my foreground. Here I again need to darker it down, decrease exposure, shadows, but raise the blacks to not lose all details from the image. Now let's create a new layer of mask for these trees in the middle of the image. Here I will use a radial mask. Let's adjust the mask above this tree and this fog in the background. In this area, I want to pop out these trees, and create some kind of a glow in the fog. I will raise the whites, decrease the blacks and highlights, add some clarity to get more contrast in the trees and a mystic glow in the background. And the final radial gradient mask will be for Hunting Hut. I need also to point out this area, because this small hut is a main subject in this scene. Here I will again raise the exposure and shadows to give more light and play with other sliders to see if I can get more moody looking in the overall image. Let's move this mask for the trees a little bit. Now, let's make final adjustments, maybe play with the vibrance. And a blue color. That's about it. The final image looks like this. So I completely turned this image from a morning foggy shot with sunlight to a night mystic, and I can say even a scary shot. The mood is completely different. Let's compare it and put the original photo side by side. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel because I am planning to release more similar tutorials.